Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sam, and my channel's name is Side Hustle Sam, and on my channel I talk about different side hustles that I do. Right now I'm working on a renovation on one of my houses, one of my Airbnbs. It's called Magnolia Place. I've shown Magnolia Place in previous videos, so go back and check those out. And be sure that you look at this video, and if you like it, and you really think it's a good video, then do me a favor and subscribe. And also hit the notification bell so that whenever I put out a video, you'll be notified right away. So I'll talk with you later and keep in touch, and we'll see this video as this house unfolds. It is coming along, guys. All right. So looks like we've got some wood. Hey, how are you?
I'm good. How are you, sir?
Doing well.
All right.
I'm videotaping. You okay with that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't have complaints.
Yeah. It's going to be on my YouTube.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's gonna be good. I hope you got 1,000 likes.
Yeah, 1,000,000 likes.
Yeah, that sounds better.
This is the studs that they bought yesterday to start putting the walls together. So, and you're putting the outside wall. Now you're going to have to take this one up though, right? This one?
Yeah.
It has to come up.
Mm-hmm.
Because this is, that's my mistake.
Oh, you did it?
Yeah, I
don't have a problem.
I didn't put the pressure treated on the outside wall.
That had to be all the time in first floor.
Yeah, right. All right, so that's where we are today on the first day of construction. Looking pretty good.
All right.
Okay, here's phase one of the project. What we have to do here is we have to route a pipe, a drain pipe, from the new bathroom, which is going to be in the side room here, to the drain that goes out to the city sewer system. And if you remember in one of my previous videos, I showed that pipe, and they have dug this pipe up, and this water you see here is where the rainwater is still settled in, but they had to bust up the concrete. They're going to run that drain pipe through here, and this is how they're going to be routing it through here. They've got it lined out how they're going to send the pipe, and they have busted out a hole here underneath the foundation where they're going to send the drain through. So this is the first step in getting the new bathroom put in, so it has to be done first. Looks like they were working on it, try to get it done before the rain came, which is going to rain today and going to rain tomorrow. So they'll probably be working inside today and tomorrow. This is where tying it into the sewer. Okay, so this is from the inside. They busted up the concrete on the inside, and they're getting the area ready to start putting down the drain pipes. Looks like they've got the area over here that's going to be routed where the water is going to be coming in, and the toilet, well, this will be where the shower is, and the toilet will be sitting over here, and then we'll put the vanity over here. So they've been pretty busy. We'll see how it goes. Ah, it's looking good.
Oh, okay.
Looking good, looking good. Yeah. Starting to get it all framed out.
Yeah. gonna be ready through Monday.
Are you going to be able to put the blinds back so that so we can keep it covered at night?
Okay, yeah.
You've been busy.
Well, yeah.
Is that closet? Is this the closet here?
Yeah.
Is that going to be big enough? All right, so making some more progress. I see they're getting some of the electrical outlets installed. There's a light switch there and plugs. And there's plugs there. Closet. And this is the other closet. And so walk into this room. We got more plugs. And here's where I see we got lights in the center of the room. So they're recentering those lights. We got this closet here. And then we go into the bathroom and they've already got where the vanity is going to be. They've got the water lines run. And this is where the toilet will be, and they've got that done. And here's where the shower stall will be. Looks like they've already got the shower lines run. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video today. I surely had a good time making it. And I hope that you enjoy this content. And if you do enjoy this content, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up and maybe liking or subscribing. Be sure and hit that notification bell again, and that way you will know when I have another video come out. Goodbye. Have a good one, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.